biggest loser ever. Today was the biggest down day we've had in roughly a year. And in the next 60 seconds, I'm going to tell you a story about my father-in-law who came over from Italy. It's a story about losing days, and it's a story I think about every single time we have a big losing day. But first, I want to say this very clearly and right up front. We are not surprised at having a big losing day. We're not panicked, and we're not changing our system, because the math says days like this are guaranteed. If you trade long enough, you will have winning days and you will have large losing days. Now, that's not a flaw. That's variance. What matters isn't one day. What matters is lots of trades over many days, many weeks, many months, and many quarters. Our edge isn't avoiding days like today. Our edge is surviving them without doing something emotional. Today is uncomfortable, that's for sure, but it's not abnormal and it's not unexpected. Now, let me tell you about my father-in-law, Vinny. Vinny is a huge Yankees fan. His arch enemy is the Red Sox. And one year, the Red Sox beat the Yankees, and the Red Sox were going to go into the World Series. The Red Sox have won 6 World Series. The Yankees have won 26. And I said to Vinny, Vinny, I'm so sorry that the Red Sox are going to the World Series. And he told me something I've always remembered on down days. He looked at me, he said, Rob, and I use his speech pattern. Rob, let me tell you a story. You have punched me in the mouth, and I have fallen down. And you know what? I look up in your eyes, and I tell you one thing. You have beaten me a 6 a time, but I have beaten you a 26 a time. That makes me a winner and you a loser. So the next time we have a big losing day, I want you to think about Vinny looking up and saying, don't worry, they beat us this time, but we're going to get them in the long run. And that's exactly why math makes money. Now, Maria and I, no one else does this on the internet. Maria and I, we're going to give you our 6 trades every Sunday night at 6. We trade a $30,000 account, $1 million account. Tune in at 6, get all the trades. In addition, she and I are going to be on camera every single day at 3:30 to 4. You can see us trading live. We do over 30,000 trades a year. In addition, we'll take questions and we can talk about trading. If you're interested in how we do it and what we do, I hope you'll tune in, and I hope you have a great trading day.